How to apply cat eye gel polish. 1. File your nails. 2. Apply base coat, cure with LED or UV lamp. UV lamp for 1 minute, LED lamp for 30 seconds. 3. Apply first thin coat of polish, cure. UV lamp for 2 minutes. LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. 4. Apply second thin coat of polish. 5. Put the magnetic stick over the nails until the cat eye effect shows up, then cure. 6. Draw your favorite pattern. 7. Apply top coat, cure. UV lamp for 2 minutes, LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. 8. Wipe nails with rubbing alcohol to remove residue.